Hello everyone, welcome to Spoken Kannada or Mataduva Kannada Part 1 course and Lecture 7 Alphabets in Kannada and its sounds. In this lecture, we will see the alphabets of Kannada language. There are 49 letters in Kannada language and we will see what are all those and how we need to pronounce those letters. Okay, let's begin. A, E, E, U, U, Ru, Ye, Ye, I, O, O, Au, Aha, Ka, Kha, Ga, Gha, Nya, Cha, Cha, Ja, Ja, Inya. So here I did not find the Kannada letters while typing, so I kept it blank, but I kept it in English so that you can read and pronounce. Next, Ta, Ta, Da, Da, Na, Na, Ta, Tha, Da, Dha, Na. So I will explain here once again. Ta, Tha, Da, Dha, Na. Ta, Tha, Da, Dha, Na. Pa, Pa, Ba, Bha, Ma. Ya, Ra, La, Va, Sha, Sha, Sa, Ha, La. We will read it again so that you will become very familiar with the sounds of the Kannada letters. Please read with me. A, E, E, U, U, Ru, E, I, O, Au, Aha. Ka, Kha, Ga, Gha, Nya. Cha, Cha, Ja, Ja, Inya. Ta, Tha, Da, Dha, Na. Ta, Tha, Da, Dha, Na. Pa, Pa, Ba, Bha, Ma. Ya, Ra, La, Va, Sha, Sha, Sa, Ha, La. This is La, this is La. La. So if you see, we have grouped alphabet letters into vowels and consonants. From A to Aha are vowels. From Ka to La are consonants. Please be cautious when you come across these letters. Na, Na, La, La, Da, Da, and some others are also there. So you can go through it once, or we will see those words which uses those letters. Okay, so that you will become familiar in pronouncing those letters differently. So let us see some of the examples that we can use these letters in forming Kannada words. Example, Kamala means lotus. Kamala, lotus. Avana, Avana means his. Avala, Avala, her. Mara, Mara, tree. Ata, Ata, game. Cricket, Ata. Cricket, Ata. Cricket game. Volleyball, Ata. Volleyball, Ata. Volleyball game. So, if you see in examples, we just use those alphabets as it is and formed a words. But if you see here, some of the words are here where the consonants will make it different sounds. For example, Hesaru. Hesaru means name. Avanu, he. What is happening here? Consonant Ra will be used as Ru. Na will be used as Nu. So like that, if you see these words again, Hesaru, Hesaru, name. Avanu, Avanu, he. Enu, Enu, what? Avalu, Avalu, she. Nanu, Nanu, I am or me. Neenu, Neenu, you are. Who, flower. So here, what is happening in these words? We are using different sounds of consonants. Na is becoming ni, and nu, na, lu, he. So like that. Okay, so we will see this, what are the sounds that will be used for consonants in the next lecture. So let's see some of the very simple sentences by using the above words. Okay, Nanu John Doe. Nanu John Doe. I am John Doe. Neenu John Doe. Neenu John Doe. You are John Doe. Avanu John Doe. Avanu John Doe. He is John Doe. Avalu Amelia. Avalu Amelia. She is Amelia. Kamala, who? Kamala, who? Lotus flower. Avana hesaru enu. Avana hesaru enu. What is his name? Avana hesaru John Doe. Avana hesaru John Doe. His name is John Doe. Avala hesaru enu. Avala hesaru enu. What is her name? Avala hesaru Amelia. Avala hesaru Amelia. Her name is Amelia. So I want to tell you one thing. Don't try to remember these sentences or words. Try to listen them properly and pronounce them properly. Use these words repeatedly. So you will become very familiar with these words and sentences and you can use them Okay, so we have a lot of other lectures where we use these words and sentences multiple times so that you will become familiar with these words. Okay, with this, I'm going to end this lecture and I will see you in the next lecture. Thank you.